Are you tired of dealing with painful, unsightly ingrown hairs? These pesky problems can lead to inflammation, discomfort, and even infection if not treated properly. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll delve into 15 tried and true home remedies for ingrown hair, plus an exclusive bonus tip that's sure to revolutionize your personal care routine. Sit back, get comfortable, and prepare to conquer those troublesome ingrown hairs once and for all. 1. Warm compresses. Ever noticed how a nice, warm shower can ease the tension in your muscles? Similarly, applying a warm compress to the area affected by ingrown hair can provide relief. It helps to soften the skin, encouraging the hair to break through the surface. The best part? You probably already have everything you need to try this remedy right at home. 2. Exfoliation. Imagine a fresh sapling trying to push through a ground covered in dead leaves. It's a tough job, right? That's essentially what's happening with your ingrown hairs. They're stuck underneath dead skin cells. Regular exfoliation removes these cells and can help free trapped hairs. Not only that, but it also keeps your skin smooth and radiant. 3. Tea tree oil. Ever heard of tea tree oil? It's a potent natural antiseptic that's widely used in skincare for its ability to fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. Applying it to your ingrown hairs can prevent infections and speed up the healing process. Just remember to dilute it with a carrier oil to avoid skin irritation. 4. Baking soda. Baking soda is a kitchen staple that doubles as an effective home remedy for ingrown hairs. It can help soothe irritation, reduce inflammation, and even act as a mild exfoliant. Simply mix it with water to create a paste, apply it to the affected area, and let it do its magic. 5. Witch hazel. Remember Harry Potter's magical broom, the firebolt? Witch hazel may not help you win a Quidditch match, but it can certainly work wonders on your skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling and prevent infection. Apply it with a cotton ball to the ingrown hair and let it air dry. 6. Aloe vera. The same plant that soothes your sunburn can also help with your ingrown hairs. Aloe vera is known for its calming and moisturizing properties. Applying pure aloe vera gel can soothe irritated skin, reduce inflammation, and expedite the healing process. 7. Honey. Honey isn't just a delicious natural sweetener. It's also a potent antibacterial agent. Applying a small amount of honey to the area can help prevent infection and keep the skin hydrated. 8. Black tea bags. Who knew your morning brew could also tackle ingrown hairs? Black tea bags contain tannic acid, which can reduce inflammation and redness. Simply moisten a tea bag with warm water and apply it to the affected area. 9. Aspirin. Aspirin, a common pain reliever, can also serve as a home remedy for ingrown hairs. When mixed with water to form a paste, it can reduce inflammation and redness while gently exfoliating the skin. Just remember to patch test it first to avoid any potential allergic reactions. 10. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another versatile household item. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce swelling, while its acidic nature can exfoliate the skin, helping to free the trapped hair. 11. Coconut oil. Known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, coconut oil can help reduce the risk of infection and soothe irritated skin. It also serves as a great moisturizer, which can help prevent future ingrown hairs by keeping the skin supple. 12. Lemon juice. The acidic nature of lemon juice can act as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and free the trapped hair. Plus, its antiseptic properties can help prevent infection. Be sure to dilute it with water to avoid skin irritation. 13. Sugar scrub. Sugar isn't just for sweetening your coffee. It can also be used as a natural scrub to exfoliate the skin and unblock hair follicles. Mixing it with olive oil or honey not only adds a moisturizing effect, but also helps in reducing skin irritation. 14. Cucumber and milk mask. This refreshing combo isn't just for spa days. The cooling properties of cucumber combined with the soothing qualities of milk can help reduce inflammation and redness caused by ingrown hairs. 15. Salt scrub. Like sugar, salt can also be used as a natural exfoliant. Applying a salt scrub to the affected area can help draw out the ingrown hair by removing dead skin cells and promoting circulation. 16. Prevention is better than cure. The best way to deal with ingrown hairs? Prevent them in the first place. Regular exfoliation, proper shaving techniques, and moisturizing can all help prevent ingrown hairs from forming. Remember, it's not just about treating the symptoms but addressing the cause. Potential drawbacks. While these remedies can be effective, it's crucial to remember that everyone's skin is different. What works for one person may not work for another, and some treatments can even cause irritation or allergic reactions. Always patch test a new remedy, especially if you have sensitive skin. Also, while home remedies can help with mild cases of ingrown hairs, persistent or infected ingrown hairs may require medical treatment. And that wraps up our 15 home remedies for treating ingrown hair, plus a bonus tip on prevention. Don't let ingrown hairs keep you from feeling confident and comfortable in your skin. Try out these remedies and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments section below and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.